You just kept a very important point, like it was something so normal. But Tristan Tate called you, like
Yes. He tried to.
I didn't know it.
I remember seeing that on my phone. I was like, what the fuck? Why Tristan's calling me? What the fuck is wrong? I was like, Tristan, you want to tell me anything? Because we had a little conversation. He slid into my DMs, which I really enjoyed. I don't want to speak about details, but he's a nice person. I really like Tristan. But then he called me and it didn't work. And then after they sent me the video of listening to the song in the car.
They were doing the
Andrew
little dance.
What?
They were doing the little dance,
Like
or
the Andrew Lake.
the Rolls Royce dance.
Yeah. With the that's a Rolls Royce. It's a Rolls Royce because of the ceiling. Yeah. The how do you call it? Ceiling? The
The
roof, not roof. It
Right.
makes no sense. Roof.
with all the lights and stuff.
Yeah.
Something like
I was
that.
like, yeah, something's wrong. Yeah.
So it was a positive call.
A positive what?
A positive call.
I mean, he was like.
Yeah. Of course. Because I know there was some. Oh, there's anyway so crazy. We have so crazy. I get so crazy comments about that. Some of the Tate fans, which don't like me, think I'm bought by the government.
Right. Yeah.
To take the Tates down or whatever, and this is such. I mean, they know it, but some crazy, not so intelligent people don't know that. So it's like, no, I'm not bought. I'm not part of the Illuminati. Even that's what some people said. No, that's all wrong. I just do my shit.
They told him to say this here in the podcast.
No,
No.
they didn't. No,
How much they pay you? No.
Shit. No. I just heard the payment is nice.
Oh, okay. You just heard.
I heard it.
Right. No. Anyway,
Yeah.
I believe
It's
you
uncomfortable now because it's no. But anyways,
got exposed.
no.
Anyway, Anyway, they really contacted you and they were
Exactly.
supporting your music.
The Tates, not the Illuminati.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
The Tates contacted you and they were supporting your music and everything, and that's great. I actually didn't know.
amazing.
I didn't know all of this stuff when we met for the first time.
No?
It was
Did you read? No?
No, I didn't. I saw your videos. Your videos are everywhere. Your videos are everywhere, and
It's everywhere on the freaking internet.
yeah.
I need to be careful with my language, yeah?
No,
I
you
say
can go
fucking
ahead.
all the time.
Right.
Every on the freaking internet. Funny.
But you were, I didn't know that it was your music. I didn't know that the Tates actually contacted you. That's crazy.